Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sony SRS-XV800. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $650. Now, shout out to Sony for sending me this speaker to review. Let's get right into it. Now, this speaker is a little bit bigger than the XP700 and a little bit smaller than the XV900. Basically, what they did is combine the best features from those two speakers and created a brand new speaker, the XV800. Let's go through the features. Power your party with omnidirectional party sound. Now, you got 2 main speakers and 5 tweeters, 3 in the front and 2 in the back. Now, you can use this speaker horizontally or vertically. Depending on which orientation you put it, it's going to activate the correct tweeters. Now, this speaker is IPX4 splash resistant. It's Bluetooth version 5.2, and it supports the SBC, AAC, and LDAC codecs. The battery life on this is up to 25 hours, and you got quick charge. So 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours worth of playtime. Now, this is an X-balanced speaker, so you're going to get power, clarity, and distortion-free sound. Now, here's one of my favorite features, RGB ambient lighting. Hashtag RGB life. Now, you also got a TV sound booster, so you can connect this to your TV using an optical cable, and it's going to give you that extra low-end bass. Now, you got a touch panel on the top to control your different modes, settings, and lighting. This is compatible with the Sony Music App and the Fiestable app, so you can change your EQ settings, get your karaoke effects, DJ effects, and more. Now, you got a mic and guitar input for karaoke. You got a USB-A out for charging other devices, and you can also play music directly from a flash drive. Now, you can pair up to 100 compatible speakers together wirelessly. And you also got a handle and wheels for easy portability. All right, so all of that for $650. Let's see what it is. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your user's manual. It comes with an optical cable. And you got your plug. Now, in the front of the speaker, you can see your metal speaker grill. And underneath that, you got your 2 main speakers and 3 tweeters. Now, in the back of the speaker, you got 2 up-firing tweeters. You can see the handle at the top. You got a little flap that opens that's going to have all your controls underneath. And on the bottom, you can see the wheels. Let's take a closer look at the controls. All right, so let's start from the top left. You got your battery care button, your key control buttons, your echo and guitar buttons. Underneath that, you got a USB-A out. This way you can charge up other devices or play music directly from a flash drive. You got your echo and guitar volume. You got your plug input. You got a 3.5 input for non-Bluetooth devices. You got an optical in and your mic and guitar inputs. Now, on the top of the speaker, you got a nice carrying handle. You can see your ambient lights. You got a power button, play and pause, volume up and down, mega bass, Bluetooth, optical in, audio in, USB, and your light controls. Now, you also got a little spot right here, perfect size for a cell phone. All right, so now let's take a look at the Sony Music App. Now, once you pair up your speaker, you're going to see a picture of the speaker, the name of the speaker, your Bluetooth connection, and your battery percentage. Now, I can play music directly from my library. I can open up the Fiestable app. I can switch between audio in, USB, and optical. I got all my online streaming services. We got settings. I can also control my music. Let's take a look at the settings. For sound, we got Clear Audio Plus. We got sound effects, custom EQs. You got a TV sound booster, DJ effects, and your Bluetooth connection quality. For power options, you got stamina, battery care, automatic touch panel backlight. You can turn that on and off. You got your battery level, that's the voice. You got power on and off sound, auto standby, and Bluetooth standby. For illumination, you can change all the different light settings right from the app. You got your system, and you can manage your Bluetooth connected devices. Now let's take a look at the Fiestable app. You got DJ controls, illumination, karaoke, motion controls, your party playlist, party lights, and voice controls. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Now I'm going to start off at 50% volume, and I dim the lights so you can see the ambient lighting. Here we go. Did y'all hear that bass? This is 50%. Now I'm going to start the song over with mega bass and maximum volume. Here we go. So I got the speaker in horizontal mode. I'm going to play some music and cycle between some of the different lighting effects. Here we go. So now we got to test out one of my favorite features, karaoke. Now I plugged in the mic, I turned up the echo. I think y'all know what's next.
Yeah, DJ Cringe, back in the building. Drop that new trap epic, featuring Chase Fetty. It's the Floss anthem. Let's go.
Yeah.
DJ Cringe.
Trapper. Shout out to the Google gangsters. Yo, feel like Floss with this new tech. This ain't Mortal Kombat, but you next. Shout out YouTube, got a few checks. Cartier frames, got some new specs.
Look, this red M5 fast as a cheetah. This package is meager, stuffing bass in back of the speakers. I got a new phone, but wish I was still trapping with beepers. This dude real, but started singing on wax like Aretha.
Yo, never mind that M5, got a new beam. I might get it dirty, but it's too clean. I told Flossy years ago, got a new team. I might need another phone for this new scheme.
I might need this new cream for this new play. A couple yams in a pot, that's a souffle. This PlayStation's on the block for like 2K. This verse dumb, it hit hard, Bobby Boucher.
Nah, for real, man. Yeah. Yo, shout outs White Shoes, you heard?
White Shoes contact.
Flossy. Mandatory.
DJ Cringe.
Trap, what up,
Trapper.
baby?
Available for all parties.
Look.
Flossy Entertainment.
Let's go.
Shout out to all 2 million subscribers. We appreciate everybody in the comment section. We're gonna keep giving y'all these products, man. Keep tapping in.
Now, if I want to charge up my cell phone, I plug in a USB cable to the USB-A out port in the back, plug it right in, and it's charging up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Sony SRS-XV800 a major, major, major go. I am loving this speaker. I know the mic is not doing it justice, but that bass is so deep. I'm getting ready to take this downstairs, pair it up with my XV900 and my XP700, and go crazy. Now remember, you can play this speaker horizontally or vertically. It's IPX4 splash resistant, so if you're using this for a backyard party and it starts raining, you're good to go. The battery life up to 25 hours with quick charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours worth of playtime. Now, one of my favorite features, the RGB lights, nice and subtle, but set the mood. You got the touch controls on the top, the mic and guitar inputs for karaoke. You can pair up to 100 speakers together, and you got a handle and wheels that make it easy to carry around. This is an all-around win. Anyway, Sony SRS-XV800, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to the Google Gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. Special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me go. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.